and His Excellency, that time, the President of the Republic and the current President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, Kasai, Nanasamoka, and say, yes, sir. Court no ne MPP for a delay, a shedda, ama bosume nwotwe ya to atwene a anka nema akoso wo mem ha no edonso anamwa.
All right, tell me Shafo, Yahweh shall be here. So Captain Smart say 8 months is enough for President John Dramani Mahama to do something, because 2012 winning year ayedi asem no court na do dan kwa kufado ni Dr. Mahmoud Bamia di election petition no court no court are ruling in favor of the NDC now. After court has ruled in favor of the NDC, President John Dramani Mahama ni speech na mine or say within that period na omudi asem no court no and kanye sa asem na ewo court and ka omo John Dramani Mahama and ka waye nyamma bebre and ka waye nyamma bebre yakra yem kra be hye, but because asem no court na ntino eno ntina no wanya time ko anye nyamma bebre eno na Captain Smart ejina so ebisa say surprised that if you said this thing before, now proud to 2024 no, we win the election, there was no anything yamfa assembly and court and what is your excuse? Want to mean yes she excuse the same, but wouldn't that NDC for the year they started attacking but of my conquest as now Captain Smart crying na buy to us
Tommy Bwana me 1 year na so if you say in governance and to see I do go to prison 8 months is 1 year. Me behavior to say the metro thesis project work dissertation who say my trouble be able to say I have my own definition of 1 year. Said you go that prison I say 1 year you bosom nwotwe. Wo ko Norway 1 year e you bosom nson. Wo ko America 1 year e you bosom du. Wo ko Saskatchewan. Wo ko any of the Latin American countries and any of the Scandinavian countries which Norway is part of it. They can say 1 year so what that prison 1 year 11 months. It maybe I want 1 year. Yeah, me 1 year 8 months. Wouldn't the time I can 1 year no? Now me 8 months. 2012. I could find no baumia. Etetiba Mahama my papa no who yet say hancho. Offer her way, offer her co, offer 8 solid months. And day na Supreme Court trase okay to guba. Ghana nyina ye sori ani yakotena ho ne yakɔ Supreme Court. Meanwhile when your lawyer, Miss when your lawyer, ye na yet ho, bro fe omu kan, ni ye na ye ntiase. Omu wi a no maba, no obi ma be katwi, omu wi a no maba, ne bi no maba ka brofo. Edu ba bi kura no nyanko meka nkran. Dagba ne frafra dagomba. Hausa e de akan ye ho, but at the end of the day, Ghana ha ye we kasam ye nu. And a hoarding, and what you won't ask you. Peter, I beni not to tree, I make or take a chame. I chew or I beni or to tree. Yes, over. Yes, you say I beni or to tree the chairman. Moses, or we have for another gatti. Or a gun. Yeah, what you ask you won't ask you. I can't casano and they brought on a door so krumha. But Ghana for I can't casa. Etiasie e do so che enipa dodo a e wa ha enti na omo be katwi na omo de ache na omo ko enti Ghana wo camera for esi chirim wo chirim akwa he ditwi asi enti da wo bia asam no wieye JSC Edinyira JSC Atuguba JSC yokeka brofo saa wo bua ye wie na Mahama ne yere ne ne ma any NDC for white Meba. Well, we and His Excellency, that time, the President of the Republic and the current President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, Kasai, Nanasamoka, and say, yes, sir. court no ne MPP for a delay asheda ama bosome nwotwe yato atwene a anka nema akoso wo mem ha no edoso anamwa sesi asa Google President Mahama's speech after the Supreme Court ruling of the 2012 election petitioner, of which I'm sure the producer is working on it because maybe can't know. Obete. Eti Mahama mamiti asese amembu no bosome wotwe ya afe. Afe ho baby am fi ba do. Aha, men said that na ho am propose Debbie. I look at things, I watch, I observe before I can draw a conclusion.
The king of morning shows.
Your Excellency, the people you have appointed around you, and I tell me the Nyamias say, "Wama da umusubaya dintem."
He is smart.
Said Abaya Mahama betimi aye ho bibi
The
ntem.
best. Captain Smart.
Sa anya sa ebusafoi. Wo yo upewuwa ubenya. Wo yo kwa na to sa anyum no. Canada sa na say eyi why upewuwa ubenya. But papa bi aye fra no ya sapon. So that's the answer. Who person who kuna owu ubewu eja no.
Morning shows.
Ya support to nyumbi o say enso ne ye say obeye. Enti Mahama de enso ne ye say obeye. Ya support nyum no we no de be shem say. Ti. Efi mi zemu ko ke na ye wo kwati kwa wo ho. Enti eye kwan a wo fa so a wo bedu ntam. Efi mi zemu ko ke. Je try we am mo abo. Je try. Efi bi zemu ko kena ye wo kwati kwa wo enti eye kwan a wo fa so a wo mmere na so ewradia otenia oyase no odi Israel for nante ewie ne anajo emfie aduanani o e wo sere no so ho ena ya asapon home so no see semicolon no be ka chen say enti se we bi sade maya enche se yehu ani afri wo so. If it's ofade bua oche obodi bi ofore apie ansana wato GH bo me yenko
for in some way na Captain Smart ekraye and NDC for say debi Captain Smart I say udi government na bro. It's a government he can't take 8 months and she. And Captain Smart said debi. He will not sit in this country because President John Dramani Mahama on his campaigning time he can use 4 years to do something. If for 8 months is gone and he can't see anything and they're supposed to be asking questions because 8 months is gone and there's nothing to show off. Almost a year and there's nothing to show off by in his campaigning. He told us that Obe to man the 4 years I hear my papa. We have not even sown the seed for the seed to even germinate, for us to even bear the fruit to eat. The bender. But I say, a banner or banner, MPP for now we near see almost our teacher part. And aside that, for the past a month now, in Colana Moscow, they are crying, say, one pardon and being by it. And see, a Juma Potia. John Dramani Mahama waba waye no anyway but wouldn't that the NDC for that is why they have allocated a lot of money into their communication. So Ghana, this government has put into the communication because we have paid a lot of bloggers so whoever that comes after the party to ask questions, they will counterpart those people. It is sad. This is total disaster. Total disaster.